Welcome to our kitchen, where we're about to embark on a delicious journey into the world of high-protein, low-carb, keto-friendly salads. Whether you're following a ketogenic diet or just looking to enjoy a healthy and satisfying meal, these salad recipes are sure to tantalize your taste buds while keeping you on track with your nutritional goals. Join us as we whip up a series of mouth-watering salads that are not only low in carbs but also rich in protein, fiber, and flavor. Let's dive in. Yes, salads can be high in protein, especially when you add lean sources of meat and fish, eggs and nuts. Protein is important since it helps keep you full for longer periods of time, so you're less likely to overeat or snack between meals. Plus, salads are typically low in carbs and are a great way to add more fiber and veggies to your diet. It's a win-win combination. What is considered high in protein? There is some variation in what percentage is considered high protein, but generally 20% to 40% can be considered high. Wikipedia defines a high-protein meal or diet as more than 20% of calories from protein, while Diet Doctor uses 25% to 35% of calories from protein. Other high-protein toppings for salads. Looking for more high-protein toppings for your salad? These low-carb, high-protein salad toppings are easy to add and help enhance the flavor and texture of your salad. Hard-boiled eggs. Crispy toppings, Quest tortilla chips, pork rinds or cheese crisps. Fish and meats, canned tuna, canned salmon, sliced deli meat, rotisserie chicken. Nuts and seeds, almonds, pistachios, pumpkin seeds, hemp seeds, and sunflower seeds. Cheese, Parmesan, pecorino, feta, and mozzarella. Veggies, edamame, asparagus, broccoli, and avocado. High-protein, low-carb salad recipes. Here are our favorite high-protein, low-carb salads including shrimp salads, chicken salads, tuna salad, and taco salad. Enjoy! 1. Keto Vietnamese salad, with or without chicken. This keto Vietnamese salad is crunchy, sweet and tangy, a tad spicy and downright delicious. And when you add chicken, it's high in protein. How to make. Step 1. In a small bowl, combine 3 tablespoons of hot water with erythritol sweetener. Stir until sweetener has dissolved. Add fish sauce, lime juice, vinegar, minced garlic and minced chile. Stir until well combined. Note, keep seeds and chilies for more heat. For less heat, remove chili seeds. Step 2. Crush peanuts by placing in a sealable plastic bag and smashing with a rolling pin or other object. Optional, chop cilantro or other fresh herbs. Chop or shred chicken into small chunks for a total of 2 cups. Nuoc cham dressing combined and in a bowl. Crush chopped peanuts in a bag. Step 3. In a large bowl, toss slaw mix with dressing and chicken if adding. Top with crushed peanuts and cilantro or other fresh herbs, optional. Serve immediately. 2. Mediterranean Keto Shrimp Salad. This Mediterranean keto shrimp salad is similar to ceviche, except it uses cooked shrimp and a Mediterranean-style dressing. It's keto-friendly and high in protein. How to make. Step 1. Prepare shrimp. If you're using raw shrimp, simply follow these simple instructions for boiling. After boiling, chop each shrimp into 2 to 3 small, bite-sized chunks. If using store-bought, pre-cooked shrimp, simply chop each shrimp into 2 to 3 small, bite-sized chunks. Step 2. Make dressing. In a small bowl, whisk together lemon juice, olive oil, minced garlic, 1/4 teaspoon salt and pepper to season. Cooked shrimp, chopped into small chunks. Mediterranean dressing combined in bowl. Step 3. Chop and combine. After chopping the cucumber, avocado, shrimp and red onion, then combine in a large serving bowl. Step 4. Finish and serve. Toss dressing with salad ingredients until combined. Season with 1/4 teaspoon salt and pepper as needed. Top with red pepper flakes as desired. Serve immediately or refrigerate until serving. Serve the same day as making. Number 3. High-protein spinach salmon salad with feta and almonds. Loaded with flaky salmon, spinach, feta, and almonds, this protein spinach salmon salad is big on flavor and is a filling lunch or dinner. How to make. Step 1. Preheat oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Line a rimmed baking sheet with parchment paper or tinfoil. Place salmon on parchment paper and generously season with salt and pepper. Sprinkle a tablespoon of lemon juice over the top. Bake for roughly 10 to 15 minutes, until salmon reads 145 degrees on thermometer. Step 2. In a small bowl, whisk together 2 tablespoons olive oil, 2 teaspoons lemon juice, and salt and pepper, lightly season. Salmon sprinkled with salt and pepper and lemon juice. On a pan and ready to go in oven. Salad dressing mixed in bowl. Step 3. In a large serving bowl, combine spinach, feta, sliced red onions and almonds. Step 4. When done, remove salmon from oven. Break salmon into large chunks and spread on top of salad. Drizzle with dressing and toss to combine. Serve immediately. Number 4. 15-minute broiled romaine and shrimp Caesar salad. This 15-minute broiled romaine and shrimp Caesar salad checks all the boxes. It's delicious, easy, quick to make, and only 2.8 net carbs. Broil romaine lettuce. Preheat broiler to high. Adjust oven rack 6 inches from heating element. Remove any damaged outer romaine lettuce leaves. Cut each romaine head in half. On a rimmed baking sheet, evenly coat romaine halves with 2 tablespoons olive oil and season with salt and pepper. Broil halves, cut side up, until they begin to char, about 1 to 3 minutes. Remove pan from oven and flip halves to char back sides, about 1 to 3 minutes longer. Broil shrimp. On a separate rimmed baking sheet, toss shrimp with 1 tablespoon olive oil, 1 tablespoon lemon juice, 1/2 teaspoon red pepper flakes, and salt and pepper to season. Broil shrimp, flipping once, until done, about 4 minutes. Finish salad. Place 2 romaine halves on each plate. Top each plate with 1/2 pound shrimp, 2 tablespoons Caesar dressing, and 1/8 cup shaved Parmesan, or as desired. Serve immediately. Number 5. Mexican-style tuna salad. This healthy Mexican tuna salad is a new family favorite. It's bright and fresh, full of flavor and texture, healthy and high in protein. Plus, it's easy to make. How to make. Step 1. Chop ingredients as indicated. Combine ingredients in a medium-sized bowl. Step 2. Gently stir together ingredients. Season with salt and pepper to taste. Serve alone, in a lettuce or tortilla wrap, on top of a salad, or with low-carb tortilla chips. Store in a closed container in the fridge for up to 2 to 3 days. Number 6. Low-carb beef taco salad recipe in 20 minutes. We love this keto and low-carb beef taco salad since the Tex-Mex ground beef is addictingly delicious and the salad is easy to make and customize. How to make. Step 1. Season beef with salt and pepper. In a large skillet over medium heat, cook beef, while breaking into crumbles, until no longer pink, roughly 7 or 8 minutes. Drain fat and return to heat. Step 2. Stir in chili powder and cumin. Ground beef with seasonings. Step 3. Add arrabbiata sauce and chicken broth and reduce heat and simmer, uncovered, until thickened, roughly 5 or so minutes. Stir occasionally. Add salt and pepper to taste. Step 4. In separate bowls, put 4 ounces chopped romaine or iceberg lettuce, 4 ounces ground beef taco and 1/4 cup grated cheddar cheese. Add other toppings as desired, such as diced avocado, diced tomato, sour cream, salsa, etc. Serve immediately. Number 7. Grilled chipotle lime shrimp salad. This grilled chipotle lime shrimp salad is a simple and delicious grill recipe that's healthy, full of flavor, and quick and easy to make. How to make. In this recipe, we use 1 pound of medium-sized raw shrimp, which are peeled and deveined with the tail on. However, you could also use shell-on shrimp if you like. Step 1. To get started, you'll first soak 4 to 5 bamboo skewers in a pan of water for about 20 minutes. We find that it's easiest to grill shrimp on skewers, but you can use another method if you prefer. Step 2. If you're using frozen shrimp, thaw the shrimp according to the bag instructions. Then, you'll prepare the marinade. In a large bowl, you'll combine 2 tablespoons of minced chipotle peppers in adobo sauce along with a teaspoon of sauce and 4 minced garlic cloves. Then, you'll add the shrimp and combine until the shrimp is fully coated. You'll let it sit until the skewers are done soaking. Step 3. Preheat the grill to medium-high heat. Next, prepare the chopped romaine lettuce, sliced avocado, lightly salt and squeeze with a little lime juice and vinaigrette. Place the chopped romaine lettuce and avocados in serving bowls. Step 4. After the skewers are done soaking, thread the shrimp on the skewers, leaving a little space between each and on the ends. Step 5. Then, it's on to the grill. Place the shrimp skewers directly over the heat, close the grill lid, and grill for 1 to 2 minutes per side until shrimp is opaque and cooked through. Step 6. Then, remove the shrimp skewers and squeeze fresh lime juice over the top. Place the shrimp in the salads and top the salad with vinaigrette. And that's it. Number 8. Mediterranean tuna salad. This tuna salad comes alive with capers, garlic, red onion and olive oil, and is a refreshing alternative to tuna salad with mayonnaise. 6 to 8 ounces safe catch tuna. 2 tablespoons California olive ranch extra virgin olive oil. 1 small garlic clove minced. 1/4 cup red onion diced. 1/2 tablespoon capers drained. 1/2 tablespoon of juice from a lemon. Salt and freshly ground pepper to taste. Make the salad. After draining tuna, break it into smaller chunks. Combine the tuna, olive oil, garlic, red onion, capers and lemon juice. Salt and pepper to taste. Finish and serve. Serve alone or in butter lettuce with preferred toppings, such as tomatoes, pickles, cheese, etc. Number 9. Quick and easy Chinese chicken salad, low carb, keto. This keto Chinese chicken salad is an ideal weekday meal since it takes less than 10 minutes to prepare and the flavor is all there. How to make. Step 1. Add olive oil, vinegar, sesame oil, soy sauce and erythritol to a mason jar and shake well to combine. Set aside. Step 2. In a large salad bowl, add 10 ounces of coleslaw mix, 3 cups of shredded chicken, and 1/2 cup of toasted, slivered almonds. Shake dressing again and pour over salad. Toss until salad ingredients are well coated with dressing. Season with salt and pepper as necessary. Serve immediately. And there you have it, a selection of delectable high-protein, low-carb keto salads that prove eating healthy doesn't mean sacrificing taste. We hope you enjoyed this culinary adventure as much as we did creating it. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you found these recipes helpful and subscribe for more keto-friendly delights. Share your thoughts, variations, and your own favorite keto salad recipes in the comments below. Until next time, stay healthy, stay keto, and keep those taste buds dancing.